गुड मॉर्निंग मंजू मैडम।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग। लॉगिन में दिक्कत तो नहीं हुई आपको?
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
ठीक है।
लिंक से एकदम मैं तो 11:15 से लॉगिन करके बैठी थी।
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, आप वेटिंग में थे मतलब?
हाँ, मैं वेटिंग में थी कि चालू हो करके।
गुड 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 गुड। अजय सर, गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग। तो मैंने आपको होस्ट का कंट्रोल दे दिया है सर।
यस सर।
है ना? तो वी विल वेट फॉर 5 मिनट्स, है ना, फिर अपन स्टार्ट करते हैं।
नो प्रॉब्लम।
हाँ सर। हाँ मंजू गुप्ता मैडम, गुड मॉर्निंग।
सर वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हैं सर?
बहुत अच्छे से मैडम। कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं हुई लॉगिन में?
बढ़िया हो गया सर एकदम।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
Yeah.
Within 5 minutes, we will start, madam.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Pankaj Pandey, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Madam, good morning.
Sir, very good morning. Very good morning. Now we are there under one platform. It's nice to see all.
Ravikant Soni, good morning.
क्या हो गया?
वो कांच की ट्रे में दांत रखा था, छुए क्या उसको?
नहीं, मैं तो नहीं छुई भी कभी भी। नीचे कांच की ट्रे में।
हाँ, जो
नहीं,
रात में रखा हूँ अभी सवेरे गायब है, तो पापा का चालू हो गया। यहाँ रखना चाहिए क्या, डब्बी में रखना चाहिए, ये है वो है, फलाना है ढिकाना है।
मम्मी 1 मिनट।
Okay, good morning to all participants and our respected mentors and our students. Today, our speaker, Dr. Ajay Kumar Srivastava sir, will give a webinar on the career guidance. At very first, I will introduce our platform. Industry Institute Interaction Research Organization is an open and interdisciplinary organization. It is actually consists of professional called as a mentors and the students known as a interns. Anyone can join our IIIRO. Basically, our motto, who really want to be involved in either finding the problem of the world to be solved or finding solution of world of problems. Or lastly, but not least, we also invite those are ready to sponsor projects. Basically, our work is for the nation, our students. We also promote skilled people and always ready to share knowledge to our team and our others. I will give you one small video of our this IIRO. Our webinar schedule is like that. We will start our seminar with the Mata Saraswati Vandana. Yeah.
So we can
So very first we will start our Ma Saraswati Vandana. And this audio is from the Professor Nikita Khandelwal. She is professor in the Technocrat Institute of Technology, Bhopal. Then Pankaj Pandey sir from the Oriental Institute of Science and Technology will give the introduction of our speaker, Dr. Ajay Kumar Srivastava sir. Then Ajay Kumar Srivastava sir will give his presentation for the career guidance. Then Pankaj Pandey sir will ask some question answer sessions. Then I will share the feedback link. The all participants will fill and immediately you will get e-certificate. This will be up to 1 hour. Then I will give a vote of thanks. गाने की आवाज नहीं आ रही? हेलो,
Yes, sir. You are audible.
हाँ ऑडिबल. पंकज पांडे सर, पंकज पांडे सर,
Yes, sir.
हाँ प्लीज गिव द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द अजय कुमार श्रीवास्तव सर.
Ji. So, good morning to all. Today we have with us Dr. Ajay Kumar Srivastava, sir. Dr. Ajay Kumar Srivastava is working as a professor in KITE Group of Institutions, Ghaziabad, India. He is having more than 18 years of teaching and research experience. He completed PhD in computer science from Dr. H.S. Gaur University, Sagar, in the field of embedded systems. He did MCA from UTD campus, Dr. H.S. Gaur University, Sagar. He has published more than 20 research papers in Scopus and SCI indexed and other journal of repute. He has delivered various expert lectures in many institutes, including Manit Bhopal. He has also got various financial grants from government agencies. He is a member of various professional societies like IEEE, ACEEE, IACSIT, etc. He is a member of the editorial board of international journals and reviewer of the various journals and conferences organized by ACEEE. His research interests are machine learning and reinforcement learning. So it's a great pleasure for us that today we have with us Dr. Ajay Kumar Srivastava, sir. Sir, I request you kindly share your experience and thoughts with the topic career guidance.
Thank you, Pankaj sir, for such a nice word and welcome. And I want also to thank IIIRO organization to invite me and giving me such platform where I can interact to the students, those who are looking forward for their career. And I will try my best that if I can help in this regard to them. I'm sharing my screen. I think my
Yes,
screen is
yes.
visible.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir. Nice, nice, visible, sir.
Okay, sir. I will start just. So, with the due permissions of the authorities, I want to start my presentation on career guidance. I, Dr. Ajay Kumar Shrivastava, working as a professor in KITE Group of Institutions, Ghaziabad. So, first, when we talk about the career, then for what career? So, if we will look about the career, then there is a big term that is life, because career is for the life. So, how we will define that life? What is life? What is lifespan? When we take when a child takes a birth, then he died, then that span is known as life. So if we will say that from the birth to death it is a life, so we can say it is a journey. So life is a journey, and what we can do with that life, because we have only one life, nobody has two lives. So what we have to enjoy it. But once we talk about the life, so life is a combination of both bad phases and good phases. You generally listen, or cricketers told that is purple patch we are going in. Virat Kohli generally says it is my purple patch, I want to extend it. So life is a combination of good and bad. Means it is the fact that if it is there is a day, then definitely the night will come. If there is a dark, then light will come. So we cannot say ki any phase is permanent in our life. Nothing is permanent, and that is the beauty of that life. So if we are saying that life is a combination of good, then definitely bad will come, then bad will come, then definitely it will overcome, and the new good phase will come. So we have to enjoy those. But the next important thing is that, can be means, once we are saying ki enjoy, but it is easy to say that we have to enjoy your bad phases, but that is not always possible. Means, there is a saying that कहना आसान है ना, but करना is a difficult thing.
Correct.
So we can say that ki, okay, you have to enjoy the whole life, but once there is a pain, how can you enjoy? Once there is a failure, how you can enjoy? So that is a problem. So how we can enjoy the bad phases? So the question comes in the picture or in the minds, that can we eliminate the bad phases? That is the obvious question. We can't. But how? So how we can enjoy those? So I have a little story to explain this concept, because once we will listen through the stories, then it gives the clear message that what we want to. And once there is a story, then we are able to better understand that concept. So how we have to deal with bad phases, or what are the bad phases of life? So I have a small boy story. Maybe you have heard that story, but again it is very right place or right time to again reiterate that story. So one small boy, around 7 to 8 year old boy, is there or was there, and generally you see that in our homes that 7-8 साल का अगर बच्चा होता है तो what will happen? Everybody is scolding him, somebody is beating him, कि बस पापा को गुस्सा आया, उन्होंने 2 तपाड़े लगा दिए बगैर सोचे समझे कि क्या हुआ था, और बच्चा भी चुपचाप पिट लेता है. That is the culture of Indian. So we can't say that it is a bad or good, but that is a problem. और जो बच्चा होता है, अगर 2-3 बड़े छोटे भाई हैं तो उसे वो बीच में जब वो पिटता है, तो what he thought, यार बड़े भाई से तो कुछ नहीं कहते, मुझे ही मारते रहते हैं. So that is general frustration of a boy. So he got frustrated and he means asked the God that, God, where are you? I want. So generally God is very kind to the children's. So God just appears again in front of him and asked the boy that, okay, what you want, my dear? So the boy told the God that, God, look, I am frustrated with that. Can you do something for me? So God say, yes, why cannot? Why cannot? I am a God, so I can do anything. So child, okay, so can you means do something so I can escape this? That is the bad phase of my life. अगर मैं थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाता, बड़े भैया बराबर बड़ा हो जाता, so there is no scolding or beating, so I will be happy. So God thinks little bit and okay, because he's a small child, so he gives him 3 gifts. 3 वरदान अगर आप हिंदी में कहें तो, and 3 gifts. And what are those gifts? He said that whenever you will use this gift, you have only three gifts. First rule, that you cannot roll back the gift. Once you will utilize it, then you have to utilize it. You cannot roll back. First rule. Second, whenever you will ask this gift, your age will be doubled. So if you are 8-year-old, then you will become 16-year-old. If you are 20-year-old, then you will become 40-year-old. And you cannot roll back. That is the, and only 3, not 4 or not 2. So God readily accepted कि okay, थोड़ा सा डर गया, क्योंकि because you know that once there is a constraint, तो थोड़ा सा डर लग ही जाता है यार. If there are terms and conditions, so we have to think twice to move forward. So no problem, student, that boy has accepted those gifts and again move on the life. But एक दिन कुछ ज्यादा ही पिटाई हो गई. अब बच्चे का ना frustration is the extreme and और उसने कहा कि okay, it's enough, then enough, I am using my first gift. So he has pressed first button and now he is on, if he was 8-year-old, then now he is on 16-year-old. Now you can understand the 16-year-old, he has a room with table and chair, because 16-year-old, it means he is in 11th or 12th. So he has a table, chair, lots of books, lots of tuitions, coachings. Nobody is scolding him, everybody is pampering him. each and everything is on the table, pani, chai, each and everything. But he has a big task that you have to study at least 10 to 12 hours, at least. And your social life is zero. You do not have any social life. You have to just table and chair. Or each and everybody is saying that, beta, 2 साल पढ़ ले, बात खत्म. Or each and everybody is saying that just study, study and study. No social life, nothing is there. Only table, chair and books. But nobody is scolding him, nobody is beating him, so he is feeling some means pleasure in that. कि अब मुझे कोई डांट नहीं सकता, मार नहीं सकता, I am big enough. So he has enjoyed those luxury 5 to 7 days, 8 days. He okay, each and everything on the table, nobody is scolding him, बस मुझे पढ़ना है, that is easy. But what happens after 5 to 6 days? Because उसे याद आया जब मैं 8 साल का था तो दैट इज वेरी इजी, मैं बढ़िया दौड़ के खेलने चला जाता था, साइकिल चलाता था, दोस्तों के साथ मस्ती करता था, टीवी देखता था और थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ लेता था, एंड दैट इज इनफ. But now I have to be on the table on 10 to 12 hours and it is really difficult. So 5 to 7 days, after 7 or 8 days, he is feeling the pressure, again frustration coming. So again 7, 8, 10 or again 10 to 15 days. So once you escape, then you have another. So he thought that I have another gift. And what is that? Again, I will be double my age. So I can escape that phase. That is a bad phase. क्योंकि again 12 घंटे पढ़ना. And what will happen? कि अगर मैं 16 का हूँ तो 32 का हो जाऊंगा. 32 का मतलब my career is settled, my life is settled. So I will enjoy my life. So that is again a good idea. So why not? ये 12 घंटे से पढ़ने से बच जाऊंगा, सब कुछ already past में हो चुका होगा, and I will enjoy that life. So again he pressed the button next, and now he is in 32-year-old. So once he is 32-year-old, so he saw that the life is very good. He has a wife, a small baby, 6 to 8 months or 1 year, good job, good lifestyle, good money, having flat, car, each and everything is there. So that is settled. Yeah, enjoyed. Yeah, that's the good thing. Office. Then there is a work, and the work is for the responsible person. You have to complete that work. You cannot leave the office without completing that work. You have to report your boss. You have to work under his supervision. Although you have many employees under you, but still you have a boss. You have the responsibility. That is not key. नहीं हुआ तो कोई बात नहीं. You have to do that because you are taking the salary. You can't be late in the office. So these type of, and once he completed that task, 8 hours job, then came to house. So already got the call from the wife that घर में ये सामान नहीं है and you have to take that from the market. तो वो market से सामान वगैरह जैसे तैसे लेके 7-8 बजे जब when he reached his home, so okay, he got the food, good wife, बच्चा, और जैसे ही वो रात को सोया दिन भर का थका हुआ, so the 8-month baby starts crying because छोटे से बच्चे को नहीं पता होता कब जागना है कब सोना है. जैसे ही उसने रोया तो उसकी नींद डिस्टर्ब हो गई, उसकी नैपी बदली, व्हाटएवर. फिर वो 2 घंटे जैसे तैसे नहीं सोया, फिर जाग गया, कहीं उसे भूख लग गई है तो उसे दूध देना है. So that the whole night he is unable to sleep. Next day again he has to reach on time in the office. Then the same routine, evening and night again, because we don't know कि our parents ने कितनी रातें हमें जाग के बड़ा किया है. So that parenting is a difficult task. तो वो बच्चा परेशान हो गया. अब 5, 7, 8 दिन रात को सोने मिले, दिन में कोई रिलैक्सेशन नहीं, नथिंग इज देयर. तो वो परेशान हो गया और उसने कहा अरे यार, अगेन आई हैव अ थर्ड बटन. और अभी 32 का हूँ तो कितने का हो जाऊंगा, 64. मतलब ये जो 8 महीने का बच्चा है ये अपना सेटल हो चुका होगा नेक्स्ट 32 ईयर में. मेरी लाइफ में कोई टेंशन नहीं बची होगी. आई विल बी रिटायर्ड and I will enjoy my life. So again he pressed the last button, and now he is 64-year-old, a retired person, having each and everything. Means there is no money problem, wife is there, big house is there, but you know the बिकॉज जो बच्चा था वो भी बड़ा होकर अपने जॉब पे चला गया. So nobody is there to whom he will talk. तो परेशान हो गया, मतलब आपको, बिकॉज यू आर द ह्यूमन बीइंग, यू आर ए सोशल एनिमल, यू रिक्वायर द सोसाइटी. तो जब घर में बच्चे नहीं थे तो किससे बात करें, वो बुढ़ा बुढ़िया कितनी देर एक दूसरे से बात करेंगे. तो उसे लगा कि नाउ माय लाइफ इज फिनिश्ड, नथिंग इज देयर. और वो परेशान हो गया और उसने एकदम से चिल्लाया, भगवान वेयर आर यू. और ने कहा क्या, बोले मेरे ये वापस ले लो. उसने कहा नहीं, दैट इज द फर्स्ट कंडीशन, यू कांट रोल बैक. और जब वो भगवान से इसी बात की गुहार लगा रहा था, रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा था, रो रहा था, तो अचानक वो देखता है कि उसकी नींद खुल गई. एंड इट इज ओनली ए ड्रीम, वो सपने में था. और जैसे ही वो सपना खुलता है उसको इतना खुश होता है, इतना खुश होता है कि यू कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन दिस, कि ओके, ओ आई गॉट माय लाइफ बैक. एंड नाउ वो पापा की पिटाई, वो मम्मी की डांट, वो साइकिल चलाना, वो मस्ती करना, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज एंजॉयिंग, बिकॉज यू विल नॉट गेट इट अगेन. 6 साल 8 साल का बच्चा पिटता है पापा से, 15 साल 20 साल का बच्चा नहीं पिटता पापा से कभी. सो दैट इज अ गिफ्ट. वो जो मस्ती थी वो अगेन ही एंजॉयड दैट एंड ही एंजॉयड हिज लाइफ फुल. अगर पेरेंटिंग की भी आप करते हैं तो वंस द चाइल्ड इज 2 और 5 ईयर ओल्ड, फिर वो रात को नहीं रोता, तो आप उसको मिस करते हो. आप जो हार्ड वर्क है 11th 12th का, जो 12 घंटे बैठने का, वो जो जब उसके बाद जो फ्रूट मिलता है, तो यू फील प्लेजर कि यस आई हैव वर्कड हार्ड एंड आई गॉट दिस. So my only message here is that we cannot eliminate the bad phases, and there is no bad phase. Just enjoy it, because if you will enjoy it, then only you will get the fruit. Then only you will get the good phase also. So that is the my message for this. The we cannot eliminate the bad phase. Then generally 3 Idiot हमने देखी थी, I think not 3, हाँ 3 Idiot, कि जब दोस्त के नंबर ज्यादा आ जाते हैं तो सबसे ज्यादा दुख होता है, जब दोस्त टॉप कर लेता है तो सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है. सो हाउ कैन आई एंजॉय व्हेन अदर्स आर मोर सक्सेसफुल? दैट इज अ नेचुरल क्वेश्चन come in everybody's mind. I think this picture, if you are able to see this, it is explaining each and everything. Still I will told you a story, but this picture is also telling this, the crying girl or boy, whatever, this crying child is first, while this, the child who is enjoying, is get the third position. So किसको खुश होना चाहिए था? इसको ना, बट खुश कौन है? ये. तो द मैसेज इज सिंपल, द हैप्पीनेस इज द स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. बट कहना अगेन आसान है कि हैप्पीनेस इज द स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, मैं अपनी माइंड को चेंज कर लूं और मैं हैप्पी हो जाऊंगा. इट इज नॉट सो इजी. So again, I will explain this concept through a small story, that how can be you happy? What is the state of mind that belongs to happiness? What is that? So again, I have a small story to explain this concept, that what is happiness, when you will be happy. It doesn't matter कि you have more. Like this picture, sorry, like this picture, this is, this child is third, but the child is enjoying. So I have again a story. In the story, there are 2 child, one small boy 3 to 4 year old and one small girl 3 to 4 year old. If anybody have the gender problem, then both boys both girls doesn't matter at all, you can say. So what is the story? One boy have some marbles and the small girl have some sweets. एंड जनरली आपने देखा होगा बच्चों के साथ क्या होता है कि उनको दूसरे बच्चे के पास जो चीज होती है ना, वो ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है. दैट इज ह्यूमन नेचर. तो वो जो बॉय था, उसको बच्चे की जो स्वीट्स या टॉफीज थी वो अच्छी लगी, कि यार तुम्हारे पास स्वीट्स है, मुझे वो दे दो. सेम विद द गर्ल, गर्ल ने भी कहा तुम्हारे पास जो मार्बल्स हैं वो मुझे दे दो. मार्बल्स, कंचे, यू नो दैट, छोटे में सब कंचों से खेले हम लोग. तो दोनों एक एग्रीमेंट पे आते हैं कि ठीक है, आई विल गिव यू 50% माई मार्बल्स एंड आई विल गिव यू 50% माई टॉफीज. एग्रीमेंट. तो दोनों एक दूसरे को देते हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पे एक बच्चे का, सपोज करो बॉय के माइंड में क्या आ जाता है कि द गर्ल डिडंट नो दैट हाउ मेनी मार्बल्स आई हैव एंड व्हाट आर दोस। उसने तो बस ये देखी कि कुछ मेरे हाथ में मार्बल्स हैं, पर एग्जैक्टली कितने हैं, कौन से हैं, क्या हैं, शी डजंट नो। सो बॉय ने क्या करा, जो उसके सबसे अच्छे मार्बल्स थे वो उसने छुपा लिए, और बाकी जैसे सपोज करो 10 थे तो 3 उसने छुपा लिए, और 8 बचे या 7 बचे उसमें से हाफ कर दिए। तो उसने हाफ मार्बल्स दे दिए अपने। जो छोटी सी बच्ची थी उसने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं सोचा, और उसने क्या करा, उसने अपनी आधी टॉफी 50-50% करके दे दी। नाउ बॉय के पास क्या हुआ, बॉय के पास जो 3 to 4 मार्बल्स उसने हाइड किए थे वो है, प्लस 50% टॉफी and the 50% marbles. So finally the boy have much more and girl have means half marble and half sweets only. So लड़की को क्या लगा कि he got that, उसने 50-50% she obey the agreement and got the desired thing, so she's very happy and she gone in the enjoyment, वो खुश होते हुए एंजॉय करते हुए अपनी आगे बढ़ गई। But the boy, because he thought that I will save some marbles, उसने चीटिंग का सोचा था। So जैसे ही उसने ये सोचा, जैसे उसको टॉफीज मिले, स्वीट्स मिले, what he thought that the girl also did the same tract, and उसके दिमाग में एक कॉन्सेप्ट comes कि यार जो the girl didn't give me the best toffees and 50%, she also did the same cheating. तो जैसे जब दिमाग में आ गया तो फिर काहे की खुशी। ऑल दो उसके पास ज्यादा मार्बल्स थे, टॉफीज थी, बट ही इज अनेबल टू एंजॉय, क्योंकि उसको लग रहा था कि जो लड़की है उसने मुझसे अच्छी वाली टॉफीज नहीं दी हैं, एंड दैट इज द ओनली स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, दैट इज नॉट द एक्चुअल पिक्चर, बट हिज स्टेट ऑफ माइंड के रीजन, ड्यू टू द हिज स्टेट ऑफ माइंड इज अनेबल टू एंजॉय दैट, while the girl, she get small amount, she get small means less number of marbles, still enjoying. So what is the message of this story? It is only tell that be true towards the life and put your 100%, put your best effort, and didn't and don't expect or don't care about the result, just enjoy that. So if you are able to that, then you will enjoy. So give your 100%, put your best effort, and don't care about the result. Whatever the result, if you have given your 100%, then don't care about the result. Whatever the result, just enjoy it, because you can't control the result. Result is not in your control. So don't look out the results. Just look out, just control which you can control, and what you can control, your efforts. Just put 100% effort. That is the message this picture is showing, that that girl or that small child gave her 100%, and whatever the result, she's enjoying the podium, while she's unable to enjoy. So it's just a state of mind, and you can change. How? By giving your 100%, by putting your true efforts. That is the only message which I want to convey here. Then we will come to our main motto, and that is a career. So what is career? हिंदी में हम इसको व्यवसाय कहते हैं. So generally we talk, whenever we talk about the career, so career where we will take our bread and butter from that. So one profession plus our interest plus which we can do for the whole life. So that is the career. You can also see the definition, that a profession for which one trains, because if we want to earn something, then we have to train ourselves. It is can be a self training, natural training, or some supervised training, anything, and which is undertaking as a permanent calling. That is my career. I am a doctor, then I am a doctor. I am engineer, then I am engineer. So when we move forward, and thanks to the government, that now the student can choose their careers from the 6th onwards, because if you look to towards the successful persons, then they have decided their career at very early age in their childhood, that I will be the pilot, that I will be the scientist, and they follow their passions, and then only they will reach to the top. So that is a very good thing if you can decide your career at as early as possible, that I want to be this. Here I am just showing some fields that if you are 12th pass, or because in our system, so we have so many career options after the 12th standard. If you are in 12th or in 10th or below 12th, and if you are after the 12th you are doing the graduation, then you have already chosen one of the field, common field now, career option. We have lots of engineering colleges, lots of engineers we are producing. That is the second question, that how many of them are employable. That is more important question, but that is a second stage where we will discuss later on. So a student can choose the engineering. Engineering is a big area, big domain, where there are so many branches: EC, EN, EI, mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, computer, IT, and then specializations of those. And these are common. If you will go some IITs, or then aeronautical engineering, then shipping. So there are so many, chemical engineering. There are so many fields. Even for every field, there is an engineering branch. So if you are want to achieve your career through, if you want to achieve your career through engineering, then you can choose that. Another is medical. Those who are passionate about the medical profession, then they can choose the medical profession also. Law is very good field. Previously it was only for those who are doing nothing. In 20 years back I am talking about, but now you have the law option from the 12th. You can choose as a career, and some good Indian Institute of Law, good institutions are there, those who are producing very good lawyers. So it is, again, it is a very good career. Pharmacy is also a very good career, because you can see that, like corona is there, so that is the job of pharmacist, that please create a vaccine, please prepare a vaccine. Once it will be invented, then the pharmacist will going to produce us. Humanities is also a very good career, where you can, if you are interested in that, you can follow those dreams, and there are so many options. Commerce, again, it is a very big field where you can explore your career. Science, plain science is also a very big field, where there is a means big requirement of the scientist, and there is a big gap, so you can also explore that. Designing, again, it is a very big area, which generally we didn't listen about that, but designing is creative work. Designing, again, it is a very big field. The advertisement industry, it is totally based on the design. So the National Institute of Design in Ahmedabad, that is the organization which is only one in India and dedicated to that. And this entrepreneurship, initially that field is not open to all. Generally क्या होता था, if I have a business house, then I am going to entrepreneurship. Father की shop है, then I am starting that. But nobody is starting from the scratch. But due to the government policies, now it is a very big field, very big field. and there is lots of opportunity. And most important that you are not asking for the job, you are going to give the job to others. And there are so many opportunities, there are so many schemes of government where you can start your job, sorry, entrepreneurship, your business. So government is very kind in that, and that is the, I think, in my opinion, in all field, that is the biggest opportunity. If you can, then definitely you should. Then jobs, there are, again, why I put the jobs here, because there are so many constraints by which you are unable to pursue your study. So you can also explore your career in directly entering in the jobs, and through the jobs you will earn the experience as well as the education in part-time manner. That can be also a field. Arts, इनिशियली आर्ट्स फील्ड को जनरली लोग प्रेफरेंस नहीं देते थे, बट अगेन इफ यू हैव द टैलेंट, then there is a big platform, there is a big, means, arena, or big, means, industry is looking for you, because creative art is a field where if you have the talent, there then sky is the limit. If I am unable to point out any, means, any field, then others I am covering in that others, where if I haven't described or pointed out here, then that is also a field. Then again, like we have discussed that what is career, or career means life. So life is a journey, like similarly career. So career is a path. You cannot say career is a noun, or we can say that that is a career. No, career is a path where you will travel that path. And if you will travel the whole path, then only you will complete your career journey. So it is a journey, it is a path where you have to move on step by step. So the first step towards the career is that you have to set career goal, because until unless you do not have the goal, then you cannot move in any direction. What will happen if you do not have the goal? Then 2 days you will look that okay, designing is very good, I am enjoying it. Then after 2 days, Arey yaar, I am not enjoying it, now I am moving in another direction, then another direction, then another direction. So that is a problem. You will follow a zigzag type of road, and you know that zigzag road doesn't move in one direction too fast. So that is the problem. So don't do that. What first, take your time and set your career goal. That's why I told that this new means education policy will help the students in this manner, that they will start thinking from 6th class that where we have to move. Now what is happening, till 10th student is thinking nothing, they are just passing one year, and now they are in 11th, and again they are just deciding their streams only, not their careers. So that will help. So what I want to say, I'm just suggesting that you have to set your goal. How you will do that? First, identify your potential, examine yourself, that where I am good. Once you will identify your potential, if you are unable to do by yourself, then take the help of others, take the help of experts, take the help of your elders, take the help of your parents, whosoever. But identify the potential, give some exams, try to participate in those competitions, and identify that what is your potential, where you are better. मतलब what I want to say here, that ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि I do not have this thing and I want to. Please be realistic. So identify your potential and follow your passion, because passion is the thing which will motivate you to work 24 cross 7 towards your goal. If you are not passionate about that goal, then you will work only for 6 hours, 7 hours, or 8 hours, and it it will not help you to achieve your targets. So that should be your passion. Either you should create it or it should be. Then the next important step, that dream big. Why I'm saying that? If you will dream big, then what will happen? 90% case you will fail to achieve that much. But at least you will try. But if you don't dream big, then what will happen? You will never be there. So if you will think big, if you will dream big, then there is a 10% possibility to be there. But if you are unable to dream big, then you can't be. So you must be. The dreams must be big. And I'm not talking about the dreams, those who are seeing or looking in the closed eyes. I'm talking about the dreams which you are seeing through the open eyes. So think big. Check your thought process. That is the most important point of the my whole presentation, and for everybody, it doesn't matter he's a student, he's a elder, he's 80-year-old or 12-year-old or 2-year-old, it doesn't matter at all. Check your thought process, because that is the thing which is creating the Narendra Modi ji, Bill Clinton, or Donald Trump, or a simple rickshaw puller. That is the only difference. The thought process is there. So a chai wala will become the prime minister. And there is a thought process where many big gharana peoples are not able to justify their stature. That is the difference. So your thought process must be correct, because whatever you are thinking, you will be that. If you talk about what is confidence, it is nothing, it is a thought process, what you are thinking. If you think about what is the depression, it is nothing, it is your thought process, what you are thinking. What is hypertension? It is nothing, it is a thought process. If you are saying that happiness is a state of mind, what is a state of mind? It is a thought process. So if your thought process is correct, if you have put a check on your thought process, then each and everything is very simple and you can achieve anything. And we are unable to do that. So start early to check your thought process, because if you are late, then it will take too much time and too much efforts. It will ask too much efforts to check it. So that is most important. Check your thought process. Negative thoughts cannot enter in your mind. You must think big and prepare a plan. So if you have big dreams, your thought process is good, then prepare a plan to reach there. And what is thought process? It will not enter the negativity. It will motivate you to work hard. You will not get bored by doing the same thing again and again and again. So prepare a plan and follow it. Follow, and if you are preparing a plan, then you have to work hard to achieve those plans, to implement those plans, because that is very easy to chalk out a plan that I will study for 16 hours from tomorrow. Very first day, I have tried my best and I have achieved 16 hours. Next day, 14. Next, 10, 8, 6, 5, 4. Then that is the routine. Here, the hard work, here, the thought process is important. If you are preparing a plan, then be realistic. Start with 6 hours or 4 hours. Check your strength, that if I can work for 6 hours, then prepare the plan for 6 hours. Work, stick with this plan for 15 days or 1 month. And if you think that I can increase that, just increase by 1 hour. Next 1 month, 7 hours. Then next 1 month, 8 hours. Then your body, your mind will be accustomed that, and you are able to achieve that. So be realistic. And the last point in set career goal is take calculated risk. What is that calculated risk? Why I am not saying the take risk? Because in real life, or the successful persons or the intelligent persons or the thoughtful persons, they never take any risk. There is no risk. There is only calculated risk. Means if I am doing this, if I am taking this risk and I am not successful, then I have the plan B and I will implement that. There is no problem. It should not like that ki I am taking the risk. If it will happen, then I will be the king. If it will not happen, then I will be zero. No, don't take those risks. So that's why I'm saying take calculated risk. Why I'm saying that? You have only one life. You do not have two lives. So am I okay with this? Now we move forward. We have already set our career goal. So in that career goal that I want to be engineer, I'm just, because I belongs to computer science, so I am following that path as an example. It is applicable in every field. So if I want to be computer engineer, suppose, or if I want to be engineer, then what I will do? I will take admission in a professional course where I will do my engineering. So once I am taking the admission, that is one step towards that career path. But you cannot say, okay, I means I got the admission in IIT and now my career is set. I do have to do nothing. No, it is not like that. So first, that is the first step, that you should take the admission in a professional course. Then in that course, you have to find an interest. That what is my interest? If you will talk about the computer engineering, there are 20-25 fields where you have to opt that. In your engineering, you will learn all subjects, but you have to concentrate on one. That is the area of interest, where my passion is there, where I can work extra. Then find out group of people. If you have identified your area interest, then find out those who are working in that particular field. That is very important step, that you must know that your role models, you must know that these are the people where I want to be. So find out those groups, those professional groups, those people. And because LinkedIn is the platform where all professionals are there, so you have to follow them and engage them meaningfully on LinkedIn. Why I'm using meaningfully? Engage, you must engage. Means if you are just following and you are not communicating with them, it is not going to help you out. So you have to engage with those meaningfully. Means you must put your good comments, you must ask some good queries, you must react some points, means some thoughtful points, not only कि बस मनाया कुछ भी लिख दिया. So that will create the awareness about you in the minds of those people, those successful persons. They will know that there is a person who is very keen in this field and I know him directly. And that is the biggest achievement of the LinkedIn. And that is the biggest achievement of you to be on social media. So and I'm specifically using the LinkedIn, I'm not using the Facebook. So don't use the Facebook if you are a student. Meaning, then write your progress achievement on LinkedIn. Again, you must do something. I have written a letter. You must do coding. If you are in computer science student, doesn't matter in which field you are. Even if you are engineer, then it doesn't matter if you are in mechanical engineer or electrical engineer, it doesn't matter at all now. You must code daily for at least 1 to 2 hours. It must be your hobby that I will code at least one program daily. It doesn't matter if you are writing a program for print hello. Okay, very first day you just write a program to print hello. In the next day, you must increase, you must improve your efficiency, you must increase the complexity of the program, but do it daily. And if you are doing this, then you must submit that code on the GitHub profile. It is public repository. There are so many public repository. So I'm just using one name, GitHub. You can use any, but you must put your code. So what it will do, and if you are doing this coding and you are putting your code on the GitHub, then you must describe that today I have learned print hello program and I have developed a print hello program in Python. Write it on the LinkedIn, and I learned in this. And you must quote, you must point out that what you are learning by writing your progress on the LinkedIn. That is a compulsory thing. Don't think यार LinkedIn पे लिखने से क्या होता, मैंने coding कर लिया. No, it is, in my opinion, it's the most important thing that you must write your daily progress on the LinkedIn. How it will help and what is this? First, your communication will improve, because once you are describing a real life situation on LinkedIn, then it will increase your communication, your writing as well as spoken communication, both. And that is the biggest achievement. Second, the persons, because you have already here, follow them on LinkedIn, those groups. So the group which you are following, they will know that there is a person who is working in this direction, who is working on consistent basis. And if you know the GitHub, her public repository mein, there is a pattern. So if you are depositing on daily basis, so that repository will tell you or tell the employer that this is the person who is coding daily. वहाँ पे you will, if you are go on that, then you will get that the color is there, which indicates that he is using his profile on daily basis, editing on daily basis, or he is editing only a day in a month. So that is very important for any engineer. Then acquire additional skills. If you are doing that, then at the same time, if I am interested in machine learning, I am interested in blockchain, I am interested in anything, so go for additional skills. From where you will get? You will get the online courses. There are so many MOOCs, good online courses. If they are paid, just pay the amount, but you must do a good course. Don't go for the free courses only if you want to acquire the skill. And they are very cheap, means 300 400 is more than enough amount for those courses. So just go for and acquire those certificates. They are very helpful and they are really very good courses. So go work on that and work on projects. At the same time, don't don't do this activity ki if it is in the syllabus, then I have to just submit a mini project report. मैंने कहीं से उठाया, report बनाई और submit कर दी. Don't do this. Work one good project in one semester. Every semester you must have a good project. I am saying good project. I am not saying big project. Good. So good project can have only 4 forms, but you must implement all the concepts. You must study the SDLC, that these are the SDLC to develop a project. Software development life cycle. वो हर project में होता है. If you are a mechanical, then again you have to do the good project. In anywhere, if you are an MBA guy, do a good project, do a good case study. So I am not saying it is only for the engineer, it is for everyone. It doesn't matter in which field you are, but you must work on the projects and develop problem solving ability. If you are an engineer, then what is the job of engineer? To ease the life of humans. That is the whole or sole objective of engineer. So look out the society, find out the problems and provide the solutions to them. That is your objective. So you must be a problem solver. And once you will develop that problem solving critical thinking ability in yourself, and it is not a single day activity, it is a time taking activity. So work hard, work on that. If you have 4-year degree course, then continuously work on that and start from the very first semester. Don't wait for the second year. Then you will acquire those. So that these are my suggestions during a professional course, during your engineering or during your graduation or during your BCom, whatever you are doing, but do those activities. Then to get a job. Okay, I have done my engineering, but I didn't have a job. I have done all the things. There is a possibility that you will get direct call from the LinkedIn. If you are putting your projects there, if you are putting your profile there, if you are in meaningful engagement with the persons, those who are employers, then definitely they will directly call you and you will get a job. Second, if you will working on the GitHub on daily basis, then there are so many companies those are asking only for your GitHub profile link, and if you will provide that link, on the basis of that they are hiring you. There is only just interview and you will be hired. Still, if it is not happened, or you are now in the 4th year of the engineering, that you haven't followed that paradigm or that procedure, no problem. Then how to get a job? Okay, if you want to get a job, try out, find out the target companies, that is the my interest area, I want to be in this company. Don't be a beggar, means किसी में भी job मिल जाए ऐसा चल जाएगा. Don't think like that. So find out your target companies. Then if once you will find out that those are my strengths and these are the companies where I want to work, it can be any, it can be from start from Google, no problem. If you are interested to work with Google, no problem, they will also hire. So list out the target companies, then research those companies, how they are doing their business, what are their strengths, what are their projects, what are their performance, how they have survived the recession time, how they are working in the COVID time, how they are getting the projects, each and everything. Do as much as you can. So do the research for about those companies. Then follow them on social media. You have to follow them. Then you will get the news bulletins. So your research time will be saved. Then that is that is about that these are my target and I have done my work. Okay, but that is the 30% work to get a job, 70% remaining. Then identify your strengths. If you haven't done it yet, then no problem, do it now. Identify your strengths, prepare your resumes on the basis of the strengths that I have done these projects, these are my interest area, these are my courses which add on in this profile, and then prepare your resume. And resume must be company specific. You cannot prepare a resume for once and it is applicable for all companies. No, don't do this. It requires extra, but why I am emphasizing on this point? Because resume is the first communication which you do with company. So this is your first impression, and if it is not appealing, then you are not going to get hired, definitely. So you have to prepare a resume as per that requirement of that particular company. Put each and every, look, every student, every person, every living thing have the weaknesses and everyone have the strengths. So don't think about the weaknesses. Everyone has. The interview who is taking has also the weaknesses. I am also have the weakness. Each and everyone have the weaknesses. So don't think about that yaar mere paas to ye kami. No, don't think on those grounds. Think on your strengths. Align those strengths in such a manner that they will give good impact to the recruiter. So prepare a resume for that particular company. Identify your projects in such a manner that these are beneficial. So rearrange those. The most important project should become first. Then differentiate yourself from crowd. Because once the company is taking the interview, then you have to think of they are going 1,000 or 100 of students, where they are only picking, means 1,000 students are there, they are only picking 150. Then they have to eliminate 850 students. So who is going to be eliminated? The crowd is going to be eliminated. The person who is different from the crowd, if they find that there is a spark in the student, then he is going to be get selected. So differentiate yourself from the crowd. You have to put, you have to justify that how I am useful for the company, how I am better than others. So you have to just explain your strength, you have to just explain your projects, you have to just explain your skills. There is no need कि आप बाकी के बारे में, no, you don't discuss about anyone else. You have to discuss about only yourself, that I have this and I can add the value to the company. Work on that point, how you will add the value to the company. So work on that value, that these are the values which come with me. So these are the point to get a job. Then again, many times what happens, सर मैंने 15 कंपनियों में इंटरव्यू दिया लेकिन नहीं हुआ, एंड आई नो यू आर ए गुड बॉय, जो आपने कहा था सब कर लिया, स्टिल आई डिडंट गेट ए जॉब. So how to deal with rejection? I have students, those who have given 40 interviews and still didn't get a job. And being a human, what will happen? It will frustrate you, it will demotivate you, and you will become a beggar. और उसके बाद क्या होता है कि कुछ भी पूछ ले कंपनी, कुछ नहीं बनता. And that is the most difficult part of anybody's life. And it will come. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं आएगा, it can come. You must be prepared for that. So that is the most important, how to deal with rejection. I have a story I will tell. First I will point out those points that how to deal with that. The first and most important, you got rejected, no problem, you have to ask the feedback to HR, that if possible, you can't argue with those. अपने frustration को बाहर नहीं show करना है. You can't argue with the HR or anybody else. So don't argue. Just please ask very politely that if possible, then please give the feedback why I did not get selected. What are my weaknesses? So I will work on that. And that is the best remedy. That is the best remedy. So first and most important, once you didn't get selected, no problem, be polite and ask the feedback. Sir, is possible ki I got my feedback that where I am weak, and definitely it will give a very good impression to the HR. And if it is possible to recruit you, he will recruit you. So that problem will be solved immediately. But if not, take the feedback and work on those. If you are not selected, then definitely there is a weakness. Don't blame कि वो तो उसका चाचा था और उसका मामा था, that's why they got selected. No. Definitely, क्योंकि कोई भी कंपनी भाई भतीजावाद से वर्क नहीं कर सकती. It is not possible. They are working only on the merit basis. So what you have to do, ask the feedback, and once you got your weakness, once you got your the problem, you have to rectify, work hard to rectify that. Means it should not come in the next interview. Be humble and don't be panic. Don't be panic. That is the most important. Be a good and quick learner, because in 2 interviews, consecutive interview, many times you will get only a single day. So be a good and quick learner. Have patience. It doesn't matter, you are not, you have to put your 100%, 110%, 120%, but have patience. Again, don't go for the result, don't look for the result, just give your 100% and enjoy the result. It is a failure, enjoy it. If it is a success, enjoy it. That is most important. If you are enjoying your results, then you will not got panicked and you will not get frustrated. So that is again very important. Work on your strength, perseverance, You have to be. Again and again do the same thing. Maintain your dignity. What I have already told you, that don't be a beggar. Maintain your dignity. Work hard and don't be a beggar. And believe in yourself. Because if you are not believing in yourself, so there is nobody who is going to believe in you. That is the fact. If you are believing in yourself, then only the others is going to believe in you. So I want to ask Vivek sir that should I tell the story, or if time permits? Otherwise, I will skip that story and we will move forward.
No, 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 sir. It is up to you. You can please
So
say yes.
time is permitting me.
Time is permitting, and we have we are actually very much getting a informatory from the your side, sir, and we are very much getting a to complete your thoughts, sir. Sir, please say story, sir.
Bilkul, bilkul. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So the story, because it is very important, I generally told my student, because whenever that phase is very, very difficult with the student, because he is only alone. होता क्या है कि he has 15 friends, 14 got selected and he is the only one who is not getting selected. But that phase is very difficult. जब वो select हुआ बच्चा उसके पास आके कुछ भी कहता है तो उसे वो दुश्मन लगता है, कह रहा है तेरा हो गया इसलिए तू मुझे ज्ञान दे रहा है. तो वो that is a difficult phase of life, and if you are able to deal with that, then you are successful in every facet of life, because this phase can come anywhere in the life. It doesn't matter that it is only about the job. After getting the job, again you can face the same problems. So the small story is there, that is known as apple story. So once God decided that, Bhagwan ने decide किया कि I am going to give the apple to everybody, those who are in the queue, those who will come to ask for the apple, I will give them. तो जैसे announcement हुआ तो आपको पता है, जब एक तो गॉड दे रहा है, एप्पल दे रहा है, और अगर मुफ्त में दे रहा है तो डेफिनेट है देयर इज लाइन. सो एवरीबॉडी इज बी देयर इन द क्यू, और जब भी एक से ज्यादा लोग हो जाते हैं, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू क्रिएट ए क्यू. सो लाइन लग गई. एक छोटी सी बच्ची थी, जनरली बच्चों पे स्टोरीज होती हैं, तो एक छोटी सी बच्ची थी, उसने भी कहा कि अगर भगवान एप्पल दे रहे हैं तो आई विल टेक इट, और वो भी जाके लाइन में लग गई. बट अनाउंसमेंट स्टार्ट में हुआ था तो द क्राउड इज स्मॉल, लाइन इज स्मॉल, सबको भगवान एक एक करके एप्पल देते जा रहे थे, लोग अपनी लाइन से एप्पल लेते जा रहे थे और जाते जा रहे थे. आफ्टर सम टाइम उस छोटी सी बच्ची का भी नंबर आया. नंबर आया तो उसने छोटे छोटे से अपने दोनों हाथ एप्पल को लेने के लिए रख दिया. भगवान दे रहे थे तो कहीं आसमान में ही दे रहे होंगे, तो वो छोटे से हाथों से उसने एप्पल को पकड़ने की कोशिश की, बट एप्पल जो था वो छूट गया, और छूट गया तो गिर गया. अब उसके पास एप्पल नहीं, और वो तो लाइन थी. जैसे अब वैष्णो देवी दर्शन करने जाओ, आपने दर्शन करे नहीं करे डजंट मैटर, आपके पास 1 सेकंड मतलब 30 सेकंड होते हैं, उसमें कर लिए तो ठीक है, नहीं तो यू विल बी द आउट फ्रॉम द टेम्पल. तो वो लाइन को उनके जो भी सिक्योरिटी गार्ड थे उन्होंने लाइन आगे बढ़ा दी, और बच्ची बिना एप्पल के बाहर आ चुकी थी. नाउ शी हैव अ क्वेश्चन दैट कि एप्पल तो मुझे मिला नहीं. नाउ शी हैज द ऑप्शन कि वापस अपने घर चली जाए, क्या फर्क पड़ता, नहीं मिला नहीं मिला. सेकंड थॉट आया कि नहीं, मैं आई तो एप्पल लेने थी, एंड आई विल नॉट गो बैक विथ एम्प्टी हैंड्स. तो शी डिसाइडेड दैट कि आई विल टेक द एप्पल. और अब जब उसने देखा तो लाइन, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि अब तो उतनी देर में खबर आग की तरह फैल चुकी थी, और लाइन जो थी वो बहुत लंबी हो गई थी. द फर्स्ट थॉट कि यार इतनी लंबी लाइन में इतनी परेशानियां, इंडियन लाइंस यू नो कि फुल ऑफ स्ट्रगल, बट क्योंकि she have the bill or she already decided that कि I will take the apple, वो कोई बात नहीं, जितनी भी लंबी लाइन है नंबर तो आएगा ना एक दिन. So she again stand in the queue at the end. लाइन में अपनी परेशानियां आई, धक्का मुक्की भी हुई, दुनिया की लाइन बड़ी भी हुई, छोटी सी बच्ची को लोगों ने परेशान भी किया, बट आफ्टर ऑल that is a struggle, but after facing the whole struggle, again she will be at the God. And this time she stopped the God and asked that either you are not a God And if you are a God and if you want to give me an apple, then how it is possible कि आपने मुझे पहली बार एप्पल नहीं मिला? क्योंकि अगर आप भगवान हो तो ये कैसे पॉसिबल है जब सब आपकी मर्जी से होता है तो मेरा एप्पल गिर जाए? और इफ इट इज नॉट सो, आप भगवान नहीं हो तो बात ही खत्म हो गई। और अगर आप चाहते थे तो मेरा एप्पल गिरा कैसे? और अगर आप नहीं चाहते थे मुझे एप्पल देने तो मैं दूसरी बार लाइन में यहां तक पहुंची कैसे? फिर तो मुझे बीच में ही मर जाना चाहिए था। वट एवर विल हैपन, बट इफ यू डोंट वांट देन आई कांट बी हियर। भगवान भगवान थे छोटे से बच्चे को देख के थोड़े से वो हुए और उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि बेटा आई नो एंड आई वांट टू गिव यू एप्पल, बट व्हाट विल हैपन? जैसे ही मैंने तुम्हें वो एप्पल दिया, आई गॉट टू नो दैट दैट इज ए फ्रोजन एप्पल, वो सड़ा हुआ सेब था। एंड आई डोंट वांट टू गिव यू दैट फ्रोजन एप्पल, मैं तुम्हें सड़ा हुआ सेब नहीं देना चाहता था, बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट गुड फॉर यू। तो फिर क्या करता, क्योंकि मैं तुम्हें दे चुका था, लाइन आगे बढ़ने वाली थी, तो मैंने उसे तुम्हारे हाथ से गिरा दिया। अगर भाई तुम्हें बस वो सड़ा एप्पल रह जाता तो तुम दोबारा से लाइन में कभी नहीं लगने वाली थी। अब मैंने क्या डिसाइड किया कि मैं तुमको, क्योंकि गलती मुझसे हुई थी, तो एज ए प्रायश्चित मैं तुम्हें अपने फॉर्म का बेस्ट एप्पल देना चाहता था। तो बेस्ट एप्पल देने के लिए व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, मैंने जब ये देखा कि बेस्ट एप्पल कहाँ है, तो वो एक फूल था पेड़ पे। मेरे फार्म का जो बेस्ट एप्पल था वो अभी फूल बना था। तो मैं तुम्हें डायरेक्ट बुला के नहीं दे सकता था, लाइन को छोटी नहीं कर सकता था, क्योंकि देयर इज ए ट्रेडिशन, मतलब जो एक कल्चर है वो चलेगा। गॉड इज ऑल्सो नॉट गोइंग टू ब्रेक दैट। देन इसलिए मैंने वो लाइन लंबी करी, उसमें टाइम इंट्रोड्यूस करा, ताकि वो जो फूल था वो फल बन जाए, और फाइनली वो आज मेरे पास है जो मैं तुम्हें दे रहा हूं। सो माय डियर चाइल्ड, I want to give you the best apple, but when you will get it, when you will face the struggle of that queue, then only you will get the best apple of the farm. So similarly, I am talking about all the students who are rejected from 40 companies. That don't worry, your apple is on the tree. It is waiting for you. You have to just be patient and be in the queue. Don't leave the queue. If you will leave the queue, you will not get anything. So be in the queue. And there are so many stories, hundred and thousand of stories. The president of America, I think 14 times he got rejected in the elections, but after that he was the president. I think Abraham Lincoln, if I am correct. So there are so many stories. Shiv Kheda, the famous author who can win, has rejected 32 times. His manuscript was rejected 32 times. So it doesn't matter at all. अगर आप 40 times reject हो गए, it doesn't matter. Be in the queue until unless you will not get your apple. And you will definitely get the apple. That is the lesson of the life. That is the fact of the life. Okay. So you can deal easily with rejection. Just wait for your turn and be patient. Then we are moving forward. Then during a job means like that we have already discussed. If we are in the 12th and we got the admission in IIT, then our task, our career is not finished. We didn't get everything. Similarly, after getting the job, don't think that कि मैं तो सब कुछ पा गया, बात खत्म हो गई. No, your journey starts now. It is the first step of the journey. So don't be over confident, extra confident कि मेरी तो जॉब मिल गई, अब तो मुझे एंजॉय करना. No. Again, that is the most difficult phase of the life. The first and most important of a job. When you have joined a job, you must have a good attitude towards your work, towards your organization, towards everything, towards your colleagues. Good attitude, because attitude is everything. If you do not have the good attitude, then you are unable, you can't survive in the world. You cannot survive for the job. So you must have a good attitude. Second, respect the organization. Why I'm saying, होता क्या है, आदमी जिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम कर रहा होता है पूरे दिन उसकी बुराइयां करता है, पूरे दिन। आप ऑफिसेज में जाइए और वहां देखिए कि गॉसिप्स क्या हो रही हैं। पूरे दिन सिर्फ एक काम होता है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की ये पॉलिसी खराब है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ये खराब है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ये खराब है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ये खराब है, मेरा बॉस ऐसा खराब है, मेरा बॉस ऐसा खराब है। इसके अलावा कोई डिस्कशन पॉइंट नहीं होता। दैट इज द मोस्ट फूलिश थिंग। रिस्पेक्ट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वो आपका ब्रेड एंड बटर दे रहा है। If you think it is not good for you, you can anytime leave the organization. Nobody is stopping you. But don't criticize the organization. So respect the organization. वो छोटा हो सकता है, बड़ा हो सकता है, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ सकता। काम छोटा हो सकता है, बड़ा हो सकता है, चाहे जो भी आप काम कर रहे हैं, रिस्पेक्ट दैट। कितना भी छोटा क्यों ना हो और कितना भी छोटा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्यों ना हो, रिस्पेक्ट इट। दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द जॉब. Be on time always, respect the time also. Once you will respect the organization, then you will also respect the all policies. And come on time, it is the first policy of any organization. Be a good listener. Why I am saying? Because once you are listening, you are getting the knowledge. Once you are speaking, you are not getting anything. Like me, I am speaking, I am not getting anything. You are listening, you are getting. So simple. Be a good listener. And it is the most important art of the job or of the life. Many times a good listener avoids so many problematic things by just patiently listening the organization growth. So think about the organization growth, you will automatically grow. But once you will think about yourself, then you can't grow. So organization is a big tree. Once that will grow, you will automatically grow. So don't be means. And if you will think about organization growth, then only you are going to grow. If you will think about only your growth, neither you are going to grow in that organization and the organization also not going to grow. And there is possibility that you will not be the part of that organization also. So always think about organization growth. Never say direct no to any work. Nobody likes no. And whenever you are in the organization, you will get a boss. And nobody likes that direct no. आपने कोई भी काम डिस्कस हुआ and you said no sir I can't. Don't do this. Just listen the work carefully. Put how it is possible and put your limitations that I have this task. If you will permit me out of the way or I will work extra hours, then it is possible that I will do. Every human being is intelligent and understanding that if you are overburdened, then they will not give the job to you. But don't make it as an excuse that I have already this task, I will not do that. Don't do that. So never say direct no. Indirectly you can say the no by explaining the problems. Then be professional but maintain relations. There are two things. Be professional. Why I'm saying professional? It means don't harm the organization on the behalf of personal help. Suppose I am in charge of something and my friend is there, मैं उसके लिए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की पॉलिसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाऊं. Be professional but maintain relations. Explain my friend, I have to explain my friend that these are the policies I cannot break, but otherwise I am helping you, and try to help him whatever way you can, but be professional. Be positive, happy and smiling. Be positive. Don't think about, again, the thought process. जो start में we have discussed that. Check your thought process. That is the important. In the organization, check your thought process. Think about the growth. Think about the work. Don't think negative. So be positive. If you are thinking positively, then you will be happy, because again, what is happiness? It is a state of mind. Then smiling. It's all likes a smiling face. So be smiling. Ready to take responsibility. Whenever there is a responsibility, just ready to take it. It will increase your appraisal. It will have good impact on the bosses, because you can't deny the responsibility. So be ready to take, because you will get the means you get the of means your share of responsibility, definitely. But if you are ready to take, then you will get good responsibilities. If you are not ready to take, then you will get bad responsibilities. So always be ready to take responsibility, and it will increase your leadership. But taking the salary to work from 9 to 5, then where is the problem? Why we don't want to work from 9 to 5? Organization will ask that you have to work extra. But what is happening? We don't.
Hello.
हेलो, आई थिंक सर का नेटवर्क में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, उस कारण
Yes, yes.
है ना, आवाज भी कुछ कम हो रही थी। तो मैं सर
Yes.
से कांटेक्ट करता हूँ। और
Meanwhile,
सर अभी
sir, yeah, please
हाँ
talk.
हाँ, यस मैडम बोलिए।
Uh, Meanwhile, I want to say all the participants, all the faculty members who are present in this wonderful session, which is presented by Srivastav sir. I am very thankful to all the participants also, and sir also. And I request you in the next Sunday, I am going to take a small session of 1 hour. So I request each and every one, you please come. That will not only give me the motivation to tell you something good, as sir, as today sir have spoken out very nicely, and I am very happy to listen the session of sir. And I also request you, it's a privilege and pleasure for me to come and to tell something about that career counseling in field of engineering. So all are requested to please join my session in the next Sunday, that is 9th August. That will also be Sunday, and I am going to deliver on the topic of career counseling and lifelong learning. So that will be my topic for the next sessions. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
दुबे सर आप म्यूट हैं अभी.
हाँ सर. सर प्लीज कंटिन्यू सर. सर प्लीज कंटिन्यू. सर आपको आवाज आ रही है? सर आपको आवाज आ रही है
Because I
मेरी?
am not host, so I am unable to share my screen.
ओके 1 मिनट सर, 1 मिनट.
Yes sir. आपको मेरी आ रही सर?
मैं, हाँ आवाज आ रही है. मैं एक मिनट आपको कर देता हूँ. And sir please.
Yes sir. Yes sir. During job I have already discussed. Then we are only 24. I have done small little.
सर आपका स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो पा रहा है एंड आल्सो वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर. श्रीवास्तव सर, आई थिंक नेटवर्क का सर की तरफ प्रॉब्लम है अभी. Yes. Yes, sir. Continue, sir.
Yes sir. So I did a small study with my student that how many hours in a day they are working on the mobile where they are not productive in terms of their studies. So after many negotiations, they agree on 2 hours per day. Generally, we all know that it is not 2 hours per day. Saturday, Sunday तो लगभग 8 घंटे हो जाता है. But okay, I agree with their feedback that 2 hours per day they are wasting their time on the mobile. Okay, I asked that in a year how many hours it is. So it will become 730 hours in a year. Then I asked them that how many hours in a day, and if we will divide 730 by 24 hours, so it will around comes to 30, 28 or 30, it will come around 30. So it will become 30 days in a year. Then I asked that how many hours you are studying in a day. So nobody is ready, or nobody is studying more than 8 hours in a day. It is too much time in a day. So I told them कि if I am studying 8 hours per day, and I am talking about I have 30 days. So they will become, एक दिन में कितने 24 घंटे होते हैं, 8 घंटे अगर मैं पढ़ता हूं तो 3 दिन, 24 घंटे पढ़ने के लिए 3 दिन लगेंगे. ऐसे अगर मेरे पास 30 days हैं तो they multiplied by 3 days, so they will become 3 months in a year. So in a year they are wasting 3 months of study on the mobile, 1/4 of the year. So there is no scarcity of time. If you will utilize your time, then definitely you can do whatever you want. Third, earn love and respect. That is the most important. So earn, always be smiling, always helpful. Don't argue. There is no need to argue to anyone. Earn love and respect. Earn good experience. That is again important. Earn good experience. Why I'm saying good experience? Because if you will do your assigned task in a bad manner, then you will earn the bad experience. You will not earn the good experience. So always try to assign tasks in a very, very efficient manner, and then only you will earn the good experience. Always try to acquire new skills. Means in the career, you always try to acquire new skills. Don't be, means stop yourself कि okay मैं तो यहाँ पहुँच गया, अब मुझे कोई जरूरत नहीं है. No, don't do that. Always try to acquire new skills and create network. That is most important, because that is the, means thing, or the network is there which will help you to establish yourself, or whenever there is a crisis, that network will help you to again establish you. And what you should not do, that is the first and most important, gossips on the tea. It is the poison for you. It will kill your time, it will kill your positivity, it will kill your attitude. So don't do the gossips, don't do backbiting, and always avoid the negativity. I think with this, thank you very much for your patience listening, because it is, as a teacher, I know whenever we have to listen somebody else, it is the most difficult task. And you have listened me very, very patiently, around 1 hour 30 minutes, I think.
Yes,
So
sir.
thank you very much, and I am open for the question session. If anybody have any queries,
चल रहा है.
then I'm happy to
मेरा तो
answer.
भाई मेरा नेक्स्ट का नेक्स्ट समझो.
पंकज पांडे सर, पंकज पांडे
Yes,
सर.
sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
please.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your experience with your students and enlightening us.
नेक्स्ट समझो.
Sir, one thing which is very important, as I also agree, thought process. And whether it is a student or whether it is a professional or anyone, it's a thought process which basically makes us and destroys us. So, can you just explain? Can you just answer this question? If how, as a faculty or as a teacher of any institution, how we can correct the thought process of ourselves as well as our student?
Guilties. So I am also the faculty.
आई थिंक नेटवर्किंग का सर की तरफ प्रॉब्लम है.
But what I understand,
कट रहा है. हाँ, अजय सर, आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
हाँ सर, अब आ रही है?
हाँ, आ रही, अब आ रही, क्लियर आ रही. ओके. हाँ,
I
पंकज,
think
हाँ,
network का बगा.
पांडे सर.
हाँ मैं बता रहा हूँ सर, शायद वो
जी, जी।
क्वेश्चन था उनका
जी जी
कि
जी
फैकल्टी और स्टूडेंट की थॉट प्रोसेस को हाउ वी हैव टू ऑर्गेनाइज। सिंपल सी मतलब जो थ्योरी है वो सिंपल सी थ्योरी ये है सर कि फर्स्ट यू हैव टू अवॉइड द गॉसिप एंड नेक्स्ट स्टेप वंस यू विल मेक योरसेल्फ अलोन, अब आप अपने आप को कैबिन में बंद कर लेंगे कि नाउ आई एम द ओनली वन और मुझे क्या करना है, तो देन यू हैव टू थॉट और आपको थॉट प्रोसेस आएगी कि आपको करना क्या है, वेयर यू वांट टू बी। सपोज करो मैं आज असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर हूँ, मैं मानता हूँ कि मुझे यहाँ पे जाना है, मुझे पीएचडी करनी है, मुझे प्रोफेसर बनना है, व्हाटएवर, तो उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या है, उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हमारे सामने क्लियर है। जब क्लियर है तो स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दैट डायरेक्शन। उसके लिए आपको अपना नेटवर्क डेवलप करना है, तो आप उन लोगों से कांटेक्ट कीजिए। आपको रिसर्च करनी है तो रिसर्च को एक्सप्लोर कीजिए। मैं कह रहा हूँ आज मुझे बिल्कुल रिसर्च नहीं आती, नो प्रॉब्लम, आप एक्सप्लोर कीजिए कि मुझे इस रिसर्च करनी है, उस फील्ड को आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए, उसके जो लोग हैं उनका नेटवर्क क्रिएट कीजिए, उनसे पूछिए, दे आर सो मतलब पर्सन्स आर सो हेल्पफुल, वो तुरंत बताने को तैयार होते हैं, जनरली देयर इज नो इशू, और उस डायरेक्शन में आप मूव फॉरवर्ड कीजिए। उसके लिए जो भी चाहिए आप एक उसका एक 2 महीने का एक प्लान बनाइए, 1 महीने का एक प्लान बनाइए, उसको फॉलो करने की कोशिश कीजिए। आप देखेंगे कि आप जब एक प्लान को फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो आपके दिमाग में पॉजिटिविटी आएगी, आपके पास एक गोल होगा कि यार मुझे ये अचीव करना है। और रिसर्च वगैरह क्या है कि वंस यू विल इन्वॉल्व इन दैट, तो फिर आप रात को 12 बजे भी काम कर सकते हैं, आपके बैक
करेक्ट
माइंड चल रही होगी, तो आपकी थॉट प्रोसेस ऑटोमेटिक ठीक हो जाएगी वंस यू विल अलाइन योर थॉट और योर लाइफ टुवर्ड्स योर गोल।
करेक्ट 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 पांडे
आई
सर।
हैव क्लियर्ड सर।
यस 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 सर, क्लियर सर।
Thank you, sir, for answering this question. I have one a very general question, actually, which is oftenly asked by our students. This question is how do we become interested in a particular job role?
देखिए इसमें दो चीज हैं। फर्स्ट थिंग तो ये है कि आई शुड बी द चूजर, जो हमने पहले ही कहा कि मैं बहुत अर्ली स्टेज से अपने पैशंस को आइडेंटिफाई करूं, अपनी पोटेंशियल को आइडेंटिफाई करूं और उसी डायरेक्शन में मूव ऑन करूं। लेकिन किन्हीं कारणों से अगर ये नहीं हो पाया कि आई गॉट अ जॉब, आई गॉट ए रोल वेयर आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड एट ऑल बट आई हैव टू डू, तो हाउ आई विल, इसका सिंपल सा एक ऑप्शन है। जब अगर आप इसको इस तरह से सोचें कि जब मैं 5 दिन से भूखा होता हूँ तो वो रोटी जो मैं जनरली बासी समझ के नहीं खाता या जो खराब है टेस्ट में, वो चीज मैं नहीं खाता, लेकिन 5 दिन 6 दिन 7 दिन भूखे के बाद अगर वही चीज मिले तो मुझे बहुत टेस्टी लगने लगती है। सिमिलर वेज अगर आपके पास ऑप्शन है जॉब में कि आई कैन change my role, I can change my organization, then please do that. But if you do not have the option, then convince yourself that that is the only thing by which my bread and butter is running. और अगर ऐसा है तो प्लीज फिर मोटिवेशन के लिए इससे अच्छा कोई भी दूसरा तरीका नहीं है। Once you will get to know that is the only job which I have, by which I can survive, by which my children will get the food, then that is the best motivation. So first you are not in
सर आई थिंक
is it okay sir or
हाँ, आवाज एक्चुअल में थोड़ी सी आपकी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है वहां से। कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर, मेरे ख्याल से सर आपने क्वेश्चन क्लियर कर दिया है। तो थोड़ा सा टाइम भी ज्यादा हो गया है, तो मैं चाहता हूं कि अब मैं सभी को थैंक्स बोलने के लिए, जिनने भी अपना वैल्यूबल टाइम दिया, संडे का टाइम दिया है, तो आई ऑलवेज थैंक्स फॉर द डॉक्टर अजय कुमार श्रीवास्तव सर एंड आल्सो द ऑल पार्टिसिपेंट्स जिन्होंने हमें इतना अच्छा समय दिया और इतना अच्छा कमेंट्स दिए हैं। तो सभी से मेरा यही अनुरोध है कि प्लीज फीड, आप अपना फीडबैक देंगे, और उसके लिए मैंने लिंक जनरेट कर दी है। तो as soon as you will submit, you will get a one e-certificate, and in next Sunday we will listen from the Dr. Manju Gupta madam. सर अजय सर, मैंने थैंक यू कर दिया है, कोई प्रॉब्लम
Okay,
नहीं है
sir.
सर। हमने
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
हमने आपके थॉट को पूरा मतलब माइंड कर लिया है, कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है। और इसी प्रकार से हम आपको और भी रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे, एंड नो आई थिंक आप कभी भी उसको नहीं तो बोलेंगे नहीं, और वी विल रेडी टू लिसन फ्रॉम द अदर एनी एंगल सर।
Thank you, sir. Thank you for
Thank you.
giving me such opportunity.
जी सर, जी सर,
Thank you.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू,
Okay, sir. May I leave now?
Yes sir, you can leave sir, you
Thank
can
you, sir.
leave.
Thank you very much.
Okay sir, and all participants are advised to leave. Now it is over.